Welcome to Team Blue. To ensure a smooth start to your journey, we've put together a packing checklist to help you prepare for your orientation. First and foremost, let's talk about the essential documents you'll absolutely must bring with you. These are critical for getting you set up on the road. Essential documents include proof of identity and eligibility to work in the United States, such as a Social Security card, original or certified copy of a birth certificate or a passport. Make sure these are physical documents, no photocopies, please. A valid commercial driver's license, CDL. Our suggested packing list include bedding for the truck, like a sleeping bag or twin sheets, a pillow, a towel, and a washcloth. Adequate clothing for 7 to 10 days, including casual work clothes and shoes. All weather gear, such as a heavy coat, rain jacket, winter hat, and gloves, depending on the weather forecast for the area you'll be driving in. Any necessary prescriptions or a CPAP machine with a compliance data report if applicable. Money for meals. Keep in mind that hotels provide a continental or grab-and-go breakfast, and lunch is provided by the terminal. And let's not forget what not to bring. Alcohol, a television, a CB radio, any kind of pet, and firearms or weapons of any kind. Now that you know how you'll get here, the next video will show you exactly what to expect when you arrive at your terminal for training.